Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which generally is very huge. Velo truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA10 fundamentally shows a descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they thought. 26 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Velo, by and large is Velo, a kind of wise interest in a quite huge manner. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they basically thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Velo specialized investigation, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an extremely large manner. The very absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $32,396,217,087, showing that yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Velo specialized examination in a real sense, let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, which certainly is very huge, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, or so they sort of thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span. Pretty further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time period in and in every way that really matters, huge way. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 49 cents. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. These occasions really show that the market in every practical sense is going in an essentially descending course for genuinely momentary amazingly. Right now, a fundamentally broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very huge. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they fundamentally thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of more certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Truly further appearance, how the complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $32,396,217,087, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Velo specialized examination. Generally let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors truly become move especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Velo support and opposition levels and so on, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo truly is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Further appearance, how Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely huge. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the truly last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Velo Value Investigation Velo Cost Examination for 26 June 2023. Inside a kind of everyday time period in a real sense, made sense of underneath, which for the most part is very huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA. 2 For the most part dissect the future development of the Velo. Truly further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which generally is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin in every practical sense is an oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 30, so which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, or so they by and large thought. The Velo United States dollar moving sort of normal union and difference MACD marker in every practical sense is demonstrating a sort of present moment, fundamentally sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath extremely signal line, which basically implies especially bears essentially are overwhelming on the lookout, which basically shows that the Velo United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD pointer especially, is showing a truly present moment in every way that really matters, sell in every way that really matters, signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath commonly signal line, which generally implies certainly bears for the most part are ruling on the lookout, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. While Velo's Williams %R pointer basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and genuinely momentary pattern, sort of inversion truly is conceivable, which fundamentally shows that Velo's EMA10 essentially shows an in every practical sense descending pattern in a genuinely large way. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, showing how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo generally is moving in every way that really matters, descending heading as especially bears effectively in a real sense, take the coin underneath